some dog supplies that I ordered, and should have a new leash in here and my first agitation harness. So I'm gonna get to cutting it open real quick and flip around. And I actually ordered this from Bridgeport Equipment, and look what's right in here. Actually looks like really easy packing. Hope the camera's getting this because I don't want to look like an idiot and do this again. I got a medium agitation harness because my dog is only 50 pounds, full grown. Got a new leash. It was labeled as a patrol for police department braided, so it should be nice and strong. Leather. Looks nice. Right here is my harness that I ordered. I actually have no idea how to use this, but looks like I bought the right size and everything for it. So I'm gonna go get my dog, set it up, put her in it, and see how it fits. What else in it, just ordering the invoice, and then nice little magazine of just like yeah, pretty much that's it. Leashes and all that, but I'll go throw this on the dog and I'll be right back. Alright, so I think I got it on there and I fitted it to the best I could. When I go to training again, I'll ask them what to do for it. I have 5 adjustment points, 2 on the shoulders, 2 on the midsection, and then there's one below her, which I think pulls the chest plate down farther. And the shoulder ones I just had to pull up, make it a little tighter, and the midsection was fine. I have a handle here and a nice big O-ring for the leash, and you know, usually people get tan or whatever, but I felt like I should get black because she's a darker looking sable. I thought it would look good on her, but yeah, I just think I have to work out the fitting on her a tad bit more, and that should be it. But yep, now we get started on bite work. Alright, Sasha, come on. Good girl. Good girl. What? You looking at the camera now? Oh, let me run around.